We're back. It's time for a rematch.
We just wanted to send a quick thank you to all the viewers who watched the first installment of Baseball vs. Softball. What started as a research project for my master's degree turned into a viral video, and we really appreciate the 2.4 million views that video received. Since you last saw us, our baseball team won the 2018 Heart of America Conference Championship Tournament and went on to play in the NAI Baseball National Championship. Our rematch will follow a similar concept but with new scoring rules. Some of the comments you guys had last time was to include other aspects of the game such as fielding, and we decided to add that in.
To start off the rematch, softball pitchers will throw to 3 baseball hitters, and when all 3 have batted, it will be softball's turn at the plate with the baseball pitcher. Baseball and softball rules apply: 3 strikes and you're out, 4 balls and you get to take your base. A hit is any ball in play that would get past a normal defender playing their position. Hits will score your team a point, and it is up to the catcher to determine what a strike is, what a ball is, and what a hit that could get past the infielder playing their position. Or if they determine that the infielder could make the play, it is an out.
The team with the most points after all 6 batters have faced their pitcher wins the game.
Anthony, I noticed you guys put Peter as your pitcher when his primary position is catcher, and Josh as the catcher when he's normally a pitcher. Do you think that will give you an advantage against the softball hitters?
Well, since he's not a normal pitcher, I don't know if he'll throw too many strikes, but I guess we'll have to see since they haven't seen him throw before. Maybe it's something new to them. How do you think this new format will compare to last year's?
The new format this year will give it a more realistic effect rather than assuming like, oh, it's going to the shortstop or it's going to second base, so it gives it more of a game-like scenario.
What do you guys think the differences are going to be hitting?
It's going to be a whole different angle, so it's going to be a little bit tough, but we're going to work through it.
It's going to be different because the softball is obviously bigger, but it's going to be a shorter distance, so it'll be, tougher to catch up to. We'll see. But I do think that we're stronger, so it's going to fly a little bit better off the bat.
I think definitely the speed of the ball is going to be very difficult. The downward angle rather than underhand.
Just that the ball's smaller is going to be a different spin, and it's not coming off the hip, it's coming from up here, so that'll be different.
How about for pitching?
Man, I'm just trying not to peg one. Throw a strike, I don't usually do this, so let's see how it goes today, man. So
this isn't my first rodeo. I have an idea of what I want to throw, so it'll be a good day.
Looking forward to an exciting rematch.
Good luck.
Good luck.
I'm Jenna Schwartzoff. I'm from Cedar Rapids, Iowa. I'm a secondary ed and history major. I'm a junior and a pitcher at Clarke.
Hi, Kinsey Peterson. I'm a senior. I play outfield and a catcher, and I'm from Danville, Iowa, and I'm a nursing major.
I'm Taylor Moe. I'm a junior. I'm from Longview, Texas. I'm a psych major, and I play first base.
Strike.
Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Daniel Rodriguez from Carolina, Puerto Rico. I'm majoring in sports management, and I'm a junior.
Ball up.
I'm Bo Micklejohn. I'm a senior freshman from Edmonton, Alberta, Canada, and my major is sports management.
Oh yeah.
how you doing? PD Torres, junior from California. I catch, and I'm a sports management major.
My name is Josh Riley. I'm from Virginia Beach, Virginia. I'm a senior sport management major, and I'm a pitcher, but in the video I'm catching.
Hi, I'm Amber Beckenstead. I'm from Dyersville, Iowa. I'm a junior, secondary education and mathematics major, and I play third base.
Ball. Little low. There you go.
I'm Kyla Carbine. I'm from Grimes, Iowa. I'm a redshirt sophomore. I'm a nursing major, first base.
So yeah, we didn't really think anyone was gonna get hit, Jenna. How's Kyla doing?
She's okay. She has a bruise on her hand, but she'll be ready to go.
Good, good. In the rules of baseball and softball, a batter hit by the pitch gets to take their base. However, Kyla swung, which is a strike, and she would need to continue her at bat. Since she was no longer able to compete, we will have Tori take her place, finish Kyla's turn, and then bat again with her own pitch count.
Hi, I'm Tori Litchke. I'm from Indianola, Iowa. I play first base. I am social work.
Now that Tori finished Kyla's turn, it's time for her own at-bat.
Congratulations, Jenna. Softball won the rematch 2-1. You guys were really patient at the plate and you came up victorious with Tori's walk-off. How does it feel?
Honestly, feels good this year.
How do you guys like hitting against baseball pitchers?
Personally, he got me on the knuckleball, but we figured it out and got it together.
Petey, how did you pitch?
You know, I didn't really put on for the position players who were trying to be pitchers out there. You know, I gave my team the loss today, not too happy, but we'll get them next year.
It was an awesome rematch this year with you guys. We're now tied 1-1, and I guess it'll be up to next year to decide which sport is better.
So same time next year?
Let's do it.